meron laging pressure to always give back, to always have this fear of failure kasi it's not just you failing, but the family as well. So itong mga pressures na to, itong mga societal issues that emerge, contributes to the concept of overthinking.
So, Doc, that's utang na loob.
Yes, the debt of gratitude because I fed you, I clothed you. At some point when I'm the one needing help, as a senior, for example, alagaan mo ko, pag-aralin mo yung mga kapatid mo. So, it doesn't end, no, yung responsibility na yun.
I was never given any responsibility na alagaan mo kapatid mo. Wala.
Okay.
Do you think that mentality of a parent is harmful? That means nawawalan ka ng sense of family, self-centered ka?
I think it's person-to-person basis because you are a living testimony that it works also to give you that kind of freedom and then not to put on all the responsibilities on you. And sometimes when we become parents, diba, it's really our responsibility and choice. So we don't have to shove it to, let's say yung anak mo on certain responsibilities.